you how to revamp old denim. Hi everyone, it's Jessalyn and welcome back to my series, Jessalyn's Creative Corner. Today is my final episode, which is really sad, but thank you all so much for following along and watching all of my episodes. I hope you enjoy what I have planned for you guys today. So I'm going to show you how to revamp old denim. This is a great way to turn your old jeans into something really cute and trendy. It's also a great way to help save the planet because you're recycling. Oh, another great way to save the planet is to wear recycled material. All 3 pairs of jeans that I have right here are from Justice and they're made out of 18% of recycled material. Isn't that so cool? Anyways, let's get started. Let's go over the supplies. So you will need a pair of scissors and a pair of tweezers. We're going to use this to create rips, which I will talk about in a moment. You will also need masking tape, a pencil, any brush, paintbrush, or whatever you need to use because we're also painting on the pockets. Paint, of course, I have white and yellow since I'm painting flowers. A palette or paper plate, whichever one works for you. Fabric medium since we're painting on our jeans. And then for these pair of jeans, you'll need fabric glue and ribbon. I have this rainbow one right here because like I mentioned in my first episode, if you remember, I'm in a band called RTW and our debut song was actually called Rainbow, so this is perfect. And for our last and final pair of jeans, this one right here, you will need glue, fabric glue. This is called Jewel It, so this is perfect for embellishments. And then I also have some rhinestones in different shapes and sizes. Okay, let's get started with our first pair here. So I'm going to show you how to add rips. So just lay your jeans flat on a flat surface and take your pencil. You're going to draw 2 to 3 lines, however many lines you want. It really just depends on how you want to rip your jeans. So I'm just going to add 2 lines right here. And this is great because then you'll know where you want to cut. It's like a guideline. So there we go. Then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to pinch your jeans. Also, make sure that you aren't grabbing both ends of your jeans because you don't want to cut both ends, only the front. And then you're just going to cut a small little hole first, like that, and then you just cut the rest. This is where our tweezers come in. So you want to take your pair of tweezers and pull out the blue fibers of your jeans. You want to leave out the white. Don't pull on the white because then it's going to rip. So see, with this one, I just had to pull out all of the blue fibers and we're going to do that. A way to pull the blue fibers out easily is to just take your tweezers and then rub it against the raw edge right here. Once you're done, this is what it should look like. If you want to get that frayed effect, then you can throw it in the washer and dryer. Alright, now we're going to flip it over and add a design on the back. I'm going to take my paint and put it on my paper plate. So I have white and then yellow. Since we're painting on our jeans, you'll also need fabric medium. Just add a couple of drops, same thing right here, and mix it all together. I'm using this stick, by the way, to create my flowers because both ends are round, so I'll use this for the inside of the flower and the petals. Here's a tip. Use masking tape before you paint, that way the paint won't go over. Alright, let's start painting. I'm going to start off with the petals. Don't be afraid to go over because we have the masking tape right here. Now that I'm done with the petals, I'm going to move it to where our blow dryer is so that it can dry, and then we're going to add the center part of the flower on. Then we're going to remove our masking tape. This part is so satisfying. Ta-da! Doesn't it look so cute? So you can let this dry overnight or use a blow dryer. For our next pair, I'm going to show you how to add ribbon to the side, like this. Okay, so first you want to fold your jeans. What I'm going to do is pull the waist like this and then just fold it. That way it's easier for you to add on the ribbon because it's a flat surface. Okay, so now we're going to take our ribbon and measure it out. What I like to do is put it under the waist area right here. That way it looks like it's sewn in. And after that, I just measure the rest of it. So this is where it's going to end, and I'm just going to cut that part out. Now it's time to add the fabric glue. Let me just remove this real quick. I find it easier to add the fabric glue along the stitching since this is where we're going to put our ribbon. So let's do that. By the way, fabric glue, it takes a while to dry, so don't worry. Then we will place our ribbon on top of the seams where the glue is. And we have to make sure that it's as straight as possible and flat, so don't push down, just pat it. Alright, and now we are finished. The glue is still a little bit wet, so I suggest you wait overnight for it to dry. There will be some areas that still need some glue, so go ahead and add more. If you want it to dry even faster, then I guess you can use a blow dryer. Okay, on to our third pair. Lay your jeans flat like this. You're going to take your rhinestones and place them wherever you want first. I thought I would use large and small rhinestones just to give it that effect. I'm placing them now. I'm adding small rhinestones in between the big ones. Okay, I like the way this looks. Now we're going to take our glue, and I'm going to glue the big ones first since they're easier for me to hold, and then I'll glue the smaller ones using my tweezers. Again, this takes a while to dry, so you can leave it overnight or you can use a blow dryer. I'm gonna do that. And we're done! I've let these dry and they look so cute. So we got our painted pocket pair, and then we also got our embellishments right here. It looks so awesome. And our ribbon. We definitely revamped these jeans. I cannot wait to try them on. Let's go! Alright, that is pretty much it for this episode. Again, thank you all so much for following along and watching all the episodes of my series on Justice, Jessalyn's Creative Corner. But don't be sad, I still have my YouTube channel, which you can check out. My name is Jessalyn Grace, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, subscribe to Justice for more amazing videos. Don't forget to like this episode, and I will see you guys later. Bye!